Hey guys, I was just here with my wife and we were thinking about you. Are you new to the area? Maybe you just moved to this Marietta area, or maybe you just have been out of church for a long time. I wanted to introduce myself in case you've been seeing us, but maybe you don't know who we are. My name is Pastor Mike Darnell. This is my wonderful wife, Pastor Ghislaine. We are the pastors of Excel Church in Marietta, and we wanted to invite you to Easter Sunday at Excel Church. And I know you've seen a lot of commercials from a lot of churches inviting you to church. And this is the best time possibly for you to get yourself back into church, or maybe you just need to find yourself a home church and you've just moved to the area. I want you to use this opportunity and really consider it. Come and sit in this building with us on Resurrection Sunday and just see what God does. Just see what happens. I promise you one thing, you will not regret it, and you just might be thanking God afterwards how things have changed in your life. But we have a lot of things going on that day, especially for the adults, but also for the kids.
Yes, the children. We love the children around here. Not only are they going to get an amazing lesson teaching them the importance of Easter, we're also going to have bouncy houses. We're going to have games and prizes and all kinds of treats for your kids. So definitely bring them, mom and dad. They're going to have an amazing time.
So you have nothing to lose, but everything to gain. Come and be with us on Easter Sunday. You won't regret it.
We'll see you soon.